Welcome to sureshbhattclasses. We are learning quantitative aptitude topic numbers. All topics of quantitative aptitude are useful for all competitive exams like SSC, CGL, Bank PO, RRB, Railways, and many government job exams. These topics are useful for many entrance exams like GRE, SAT, ACT, CAT, GMAT and many more. In this video, we are going to learn to find units digit. Point 1. If unit digit in any number is 0, 1, 5 or 6, then it remains same for all values of n. Whatever may be the power of n in any number which has the unit place 0, 1, 5 or 6, then on solving the unit digit will remain same as 0, 1, 5 or 6. We will see it from various examples. If the number is 220 and its power is 57, then whatever may be the value of power, whether it is 57 or any power, then also the ones place or unit place will be 0. Similarly, when it is 421 and it has power 39, whatever may be the power, whether it's 39 or any, then also the ones place when it is expanded will be 1 or unit place will be 1. If the number is 515 and its power is 36, whatever may be the power, whether it's 36 or any, then also the ones place or unit place in expansion of this will be 5. And the number is 356, its one place is 6, and suppose its power is 28. Whatever may be the power, whether it's 28 or any, when it is expanded, the ones place will always be 6. Whatever may be the power, whether it's 28 or any power, then also the 356 when expanded with that power will give the ones place 6. It means that all the numbers which has unit digit 0, 1, 5 or 6 and whatever may be the power of it, its ones place will remain same 0, 1, 5 or 6. We solve the question, find unit digit in 180 to the power 27 plus 321 to the power 16 plus 215 to the power 24 plus 166 to the power 51. Whatever may be the power of any number which has ones place or unit place 0, then on expansion we are going to get the units digit or ones place 0. Similarly, whatever may be the power, if the ones place is 1, then after expansion it will remain the same and it will be 1. Similarly, when ones place in any number is 5, then whatever may be its power, on expansion the ones place will remain 5. So in 215 to the power 24, the ones place or unit digit will remain 5. And whatever may be the power of the number which has ones place 6, then its ones place after expansion will continue to be 6. So in this question, we have to find the ones place after expansion of all these. So 0 plus 1 plus 5, 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 6 is 12, and 12 has ones place 2. So the ones place will be 2 after the expansion of the given question. Hope you have understood the concept. of finding the ones place when the ones place or unit digit is 0, 1, 5 or 6. Point 2. If unit digit in any number is 4 or 9, then it repeats itself by multiple of exponential power of 2. It means that if any number has unit digit 4 or 9, then it will repeat itself by every power of multiple of 2. Like 4 to the power 1 is 4 and 4 to the power 2 is 16 and 4 to the power 3 is 64. So it has repeated itself by power of 2. As 4 to the power 1 is 4, then again 4 to the power 3 is 64 and 1's place is 4. Then 4 to the power 4 is 256. When 4 to the power 2 was there, it was 16 and 1's place was 6. And 4 to the power 4, that is after power of 2, it repeats itself. So it is 256 and 1's place is 6. That is when the power of 4 is 1, it is 4. Then power of 4 is 3, then it is 64 and 4 has repeated itself. After the increase in power by 2, when it was 1, then it became 3, then the 1's place remains same. And when power was 2, the 1's place was 6 in 16, and after additional 2 power, 2 plus 2 is 4, then 4 to the power 4, it is 256 and 1's place is 6. So 6 repeats itself after every second power. 4 repeats itself by every second power. 1, 3, 5, again it will be 4. So what we can conclude that for every 4 to the power is odd, then 1's place will be 4. And when the 4 to the power is even, then 1's place will be 6. Similarly, this property is with 9 as well. When 1's digit in any number is 9, then by every alternate power or after every power of 2, then it will repeat itself. Like 9 to the power 1 is 9, 9 to the power 2, it is 81 and 1's place is 1. Here 1's place in 9 to the power 1 is 9 and 9 to the power 3 is 729 and 1's place is 9 and 9 to the power 4 it is 6561 and 1's place is 1. So what we can conclude, when 9 has the power odd, the 1's place is 9, and when the power of 9 is even, the 1's place in the expansion is 1 or unit digit is 1. That is, the 1's place repeats itself by every power which is multiple of 2. 1, 3, 5, 7 or 2, 4, 6, 8. The 1's place will be same in 4 as well as in 9 in all the exponential powers. I hope you have understood this point. We solve the question, find unit digit in 24 to the power 61 plus 39 to the power 52. When 1's place in any number is 4, then whatever may be its power, it repeats itself by every 2 powers or every alternate power. So the 1's place or unit digit in 24 to the power 61 will be 4. And similar is the case with any number having 1's place or unit digit 9. It repeats itself by every alternate power. So the unit digit in 39 to the power 52 will be 1. As we know that when the power of 4 is odd, the unit digit is 4. And power of 4 is even, then unit digit is 6. Here the power in 24 to the power 61. 61 is odd, so the unit digit will be 4. And similarly, when 9 has the power odd, it is 9. And when 9 has the power even, then unit digit is 1. And in 39 to the power 52, 52 is even, so the unit digit will be 1 in the expansion of it. Therefore, in the total, find unit digit in this 24 to the power 61 plus 39 to the power 52. It will be 4 plus 1 will be 5. This way we can easily solve the question without the expansion. Point 3. If unit digit in any number is 2, 3, 7 or 8. Remember 2, 3, 7 or 8. It repeats itself after every fourth power. It means that if any number has unit digit 2, 3, 7 or 8, and if we increase its power, then the unit digit will repeat itself after every fourth power. And I will explain you by giving the examples of each number 2, 3, 7 or 8. 2 to the power 1 is equal to 2. 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4. 2 to the power 3 equal to 8. 2 to the power 4 is 16. And 2 to the power 5 is 32. So the ones place or unit digit at 2 to the power 1 is 2, and after every fourth power, the fifth power of 2 gives 32, which has the unit digit 2. So it repeats after every fourth power. So fifth power is 2 again. In first power it was 2, that is 2 to the power 1 it was 2, and after fourth power it is 2 to the power 5. The unit digit is 2. Now we can see it for 3 as well. 3 to the power 1 is 3. 3 to the power 2 is 9. 3 to the power 3 is 27. 3 to the power 4 is 81. And 3 to the power 5 is 243. Now it repeats. The ones place or unit digit in 3 to the power 1 is 3, and 3 to the power 5 in 243 again it is 3. So after every fourth power it repeats itself. Now we see it for 7. 7 to the power 1 is 7. 7 to the power 2 is 49. 7 to the power 3 is 343. 7 to the power 4, 2401. And 7 to the power 5 is 16,807. So again, at 7 to the power 1 it is 7, and 7 to the power 5 it is 7. Ones place or unit digit is 7. So it repeats after every fourth power. We can see it for power of 8. 8 to the power 1 is 8. 8 to the power 2 is 64. 8 to the power 3 is 512. 8 to the power 4 is 4096. And 8 to the power 5 is 32,868. So we observe it that the unit digit in 8 to the power 1 is 8, and 8 to the power 5 is again 8. Thus in 2 to the power 1 it is 2, and in 2 to the power 5 is again 2. So it repeats after fourth power. Similarly, 3 to the power 1, the unit digit is 3, and it is after fourth power, that is in fifth power, it is 3 again. In 7 to the power 1 it is 7, and 7 to the power 5 it comes again as 7 ones place. So after every fourth power it repeats. And in 8 to the power 1 it is 8, and then after fourth power, that is in the 8 to the power 5, 8 repeats itself in ones place or unit digit. So you have to keep it in your mind that in the numbers where the unit digit is 2, 3, 7 or 8, whatever may be the power, after every fourth power, the unit digit or ones place digit repeats itself. I will explain this by one example. The given example is find unit digit of 30 to the power 47 plus 23 to the power 53 plus 17 to the power 34 plus 28 to the power 16. Now we have to use the concept which I have already explained, that after every fourth power of 2, 3, 7 and 8, the ones digit or the digit at ones place repeats itself. So what we have to do, we have first to divide the powers by 4. So when we divide 47 by 4, what we get remainder will be 3. So it will be 30 to the power 3. So whatever may be the ones place in 30 to the power 47 will be the same as 30 to the power 3 plus the power of 23 is 53. We divide it by 4. So it is 23 to the power, when 53 is divided by 4, the remainder is 1, as 13 times 4 is 52 plus 17 to the power 34. So it will be the same unit digit. When we get 34 is divided by 4, the remainder is 2. So it is 17 to the power 2 plus 28. It is 4 times 4 is 16. So remainder is 0. So basically what we will write? We will write the remainder as 4. Now 2 to the power 3 gives the ones place 8 plus 3 to the power 1 will give the ones place 3 plus 7 to the power 2 will give the ones place 9, as 7 times 7 is 49, and 8 to the power 4 gives 1 place 6, as 8 to the power 4 is 4096. So it is giving ones place 6. So on adding, 8 plus 3 is 11 plus 9 is 20 plus 6 is 26, and this gives ones place 6. 26 has the ones place 6 or unit digit 6. Thus the unit digit of the given question is 6. I hope you have understood the method of solving it. We have just to write only ones place. We have not to calculate the entire thing for giving the answer to this question. Now we will solve few questions based on the concepts of all these 3 points which I have explained you. Our question is, find unit digit of the product of 567 to the power 157 multiplied by 251 to the power 84. The given options are option A 3, option B 9, option C 7, option D 1. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. We have to find the unit digit after the solution of the product of 567 to the power 157 multiplied by 251 to the power 84. As we are concerned only with ones place or unit digit, we can write the question as 7 to the power 157 multiplied by 1 to the power 84, as the ones place digit or unit digit are 7 and 1 in both the constituent of the product. Now the ones place digit or unit digit repeats itself after every fourth power. So what we do, we divide 157 by 4 and we will find the remainder of it, and that will give the unit digit. So it will be 7 to the power, if we divide 157 by 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 15 minus 12 is 3. 37. And 4 times 9 is 36. And remainder is 1. 37 minus 36 is 1. Multiplied by any power of 1 gives the ones place digit as 1. So it is 7 to the power 1. And this is nothing else but 7 times 1 is 7. So the ones place digit or unit digit in the product of given question will be 7. And from the given options, our answer is option C, 7. I hope you understood the method of solving such type of question. We go to the next question. Our question is, find unit digit of 354 to the power 106 plus 354 to the power 107. The given options are option A 4, option B 6, option C 0, option D 2. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. As we know that when ones place is 4, the digit at ones place repeats itself after every fourth power. So we divide 106 by 4 and we will find the remainder. And for finding the remainder, we have just to divide the last two digits, which is 06 by 4. And when we divide it by 4, the remainder will be 2. So the unit digit of 354 to the power 106 can be written as 4 to the power 2. Plus, we have to divide the power of 354, which is 107, by 4, and we will find the remainder of it. And we have to divide the last two digit of 107, which is 07. And when we divide it by 4, the remainder is 3. So we can write it as 4 to the power 3. And the ones place or unit digit of 4 to the power 2 is 16, which is 6. And 4 to the power 3 is 64, which is 4. Ones place is 4. So the ones place will be 6 plus 4 is 10, and the unit digit will be 0, as the ones place in the 10 is 0. So it is 0. And from the given options, our answer is option C, 0. I hope you have understood the method of solving this question. We go to the next question. Our question is, find the unit digit of 247 raised to power 54 multiplied by 271 raised to power 103. The given options are option A 9, option B 3, option C 1, option D 7. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel, as it is asked to find the unit digit. So we will take only the unit digit of the given question, as the unit digit of 247 is 7 and the power of it is 54. And we know that whenever the digit is 7, then the unit place repeats itself after every fourth power. So we divide 54 by 4. 4 divides 54 for 13 times and remainder is 2. So we write 7 to the power 2 multiplied by, as we know that whatever may be the power of 1, it remains 1. Therefore, in 271, 1 to the power 103 will be 1 itself. So we multiply it by 1, and 7 square is 49, and unit place is 9 in 49, and 9 times 1 is equal to 9. So the unit digit in the expansion of 247 to the power 54 multiplied by 271 to the power 103 will be 9. And from the given options, our answer is option A, 9. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of question. We go to the next question. Our question is, find the unit digit of 238 to the power 141 multiplied by 59 to the power 103 multiplied by 253 to the power 91. The given options are option A 2, option B 4, option C 6, option D 3. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. We have to find the unit digit. So we will consider only the unit digit of all the numbers of the product. The first number is 238 to the power 141. We know that the unit digit of 238 is 8 and the unit digit repeats itself after every fourth power. So we will divide 141 by 4 and whatever may be the remainder of 141, that will be the power of 8. So 141 when divided by 4, 4 times 3 is 12. 14 minus 12 is 2. We carry 1, it is 21. And 4 times 5 is 20. So 21 minus 20 is 1. So it will be 8 to the power 1. Multiplied by 59 to the power 103. So we divide 103 by 4. So 25 times 4 is 100 and remainder is 3. So it will be 9 to the power 3. Multiplied by 253 to the power 91. And 91 when divided by 4. 22 times 4 is 88. And 91 minus 88 is 3. So it will be 3 to the power 3. Now we know that 8 to the power 1 is 8. Multiplied by 9 to the power 3. 9 times 9 is 81 and 1 is the ones place of 81 and 1 times 9 is 9. So the unit digit or ones place will be 9 and 3 to the power 3 is 27 and the ones place or unit digit of 27 is 7. So this gives 8 times 9 is 72 and 72, the ones place of 72 is 2. 2 multiplied by 7 is 14 and ones place of 14 is 4. So the unit digit of the expansion of 238 to the power 141 multiplied by 59 to the power 103 multiplied by 253 to the power 91 is equal to 4. And from the given options, our answer is option B 4. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of question. The one important thing about 9, the digit 9 when has the power odd, it is 9, and when the power of 9 is even, then the ones place will be 1. We go to the next question. Our question is, what is the unit digit of 257 to the power 146 minus 153 to the power 204 plus 326 to the power 212? The given options are option A 4, option B 3, option C 1, option D 2. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. We have to find the unit digit. So we will consider only the unit digit of each item, and we know that in 257 the unit digit is 7 and in unit digit of 7 it repeats itself by every fourth power. So what we do, we divide 146 by 4 and we will find the remainder. So by dividing by 4, we have just to divide the last two digits of 146. So we divide 46, and 11 times 4 is 44. 46 minus 44 is 2. So we can write it as 7 to the power 2 minus 153. We will take 3 out of this 153 and we will divide 204 by 4. So the last two digit of 204 is 04. So we divide it by 4 and remainder comes out to be 0. But then we will take it as 4. Then we will write 3 to the power 4 plus, we know that whatever may be the power of 6, the unit digit in all the power of 6 is always 6. So we write it as 6. This gives us 7 times 7 is 49. That is 7 square or 7 to the power 2 is 49, and we take the unit digit of 49, which is 9, minus 3 to the power 4 is 81, and the unit digit of 81 is 1. So we write it as 1 plus 6. This gives the unit digit 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 plus 6 is 14, and the unit digit of 14 is 4. So the unit digit of the given question is 4. And from the given options, our answer is option A, 4. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, what is the unit digit of 239 to the power 495 multiplied by 254 to the power 328 multiplied by 247 to the power 253. The given options are option A 4, option B 8, option C 7, option D 6. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel, as we have to find the unit digit. So we will consider only unit digits, and the first number is 239 to the power 495, and we know that we have to divide the power by 4 and we have to find the remainder, and whatever is the remainder, that will be the power of 9. So we divide 495 by 4 and find the remainder, and for that we will divide only the last two digits of 495, and those digits are 95. 4 times 2 is 8, 9 minus 8 is 1, we carry 5 and it becomes 15, and 4 times 3 is 12, 15 minus 12 is 3, so remainder is 3. So we write 9 to the power 3 multiplied by 254 to the power 328. The last two digits of 28 is divisible by 4. So we will take the remainder as 4, not 0, but we will take it as 4. So 4 to the power 4 multiplied by 247 to the power 253. We will take the last digit of the 247, which is 7, and we divide 253 by 4, and we know that 13 times 4 is 52, and 53 minus 52 is 1. So we write it as 7 to the power 1, and this gives us 9 to the power 3. 9 to the power 2 is 81, and 1's place is 1. Then we again multiply 1 by 9. So 9 times 1 is 9. That is, unit digit of 9 to the power 3 is 9. Multiplied by 4 to the power 4. 4 times 4 is 16, which is 4 to the power 2 is 16. And then 6 times 4 is 24. Then the 1's place is 4. And then we again multiply 4 to the 1's place of 4. That is, 4 to the power 4 is 16. And 1's place of 16 is 6. Actually, 4 to the power 4 is 256, and we have to take the 1's place digit of 256, which is 6. But to make it easy, I had explained you first multiply 4 to the power 4, which is 16. Again you multiply the ones place of 16. 16 times 4 is 24. And again you multiply 4 to the ones place of 24, which is 4. And then 4 times 4 is 16. That is, ones place of 16 is 6. That way we can take the ones place of 4 to the power 4 multiplied by 7 to the power 1 is 7. Now 9 times 6 is 54. And ones place of 54 is 4. And 7 times 4 is 28. And ones place of 28 is 8. So the final ones place digit of the given question, that is 239 to the power 495 multiplied by 254 to the power 328 multiplied by 247 to the power 253. The ones place of that is, or unit digit of that is 8. And from the given options, our answer is option B, 8. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of question. We go to the next question. Our question is, find the unit digit of 387 to the power 217 multiplied by 267 to the power 247 multiplied by 79 to the power 187 multiplied by 243 to the power 199. The given options are option A 2, option B 3, option C 6, option D 8. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. We have to find the unit digit. So we will take only unit digits of all the numbers. And we know that whatever may be the power of 7, the unit digit repeat itself by every fourth power. So what we will do, in 387, the ones place digit or unit digit is 7. And the power of 387 is 217. So we divide 217 by 4, and whatever is the remainder, we will take the power of that for 7. So the last two digit of 217 is 17, and we divide 17 by 4. 4 times 4 is 16, and 17 minus 16 is 1. So this will be 7 to the power 1 multiplied by 267. Again, the unit digit of 267 is 7. And now we will take the remainder when we divide the power 247 by 4. So we divide the last two digit of 247, which is 47, and 4 times 1 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. We carry 7, and 4 times 1 is 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. So it will be 7 to the power 3 multiplied by 79 to the power 187. The ones place of 79 is 9, and we divide 187 by 4. So last two digit of 187 is 87. So 4 times 2 is 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. We carry 7. 4 times 1 is 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. So we will write 9 to the power 3 multiplied by 243 to the power 199. And we divide the power by 4. We know that 200 is divisible by 4. So when we divide 199 by 4, we will get the remainder as 3. So this is 3 to the power 3. Now 7 to the power 1, we can write 7 multiplied by 7 to the power 3. 7 times 7, 7 to the power 2 is 49, and we take 9, the ones place of 49, and we multiply again it by 7. Then 7 times 9 is 63, and we take the ones place of 63, which is 3. 9 to the power 3. 9 times 9 is 81, and ones place of 81 is 1. We again multiply it by 9. So 9 times 1 is 9. So 9 to the power 3 will have the ones place or unit digit as 9. And one specific property about 9 as well as 4 is that they repeat the unit digit after every second power, or we can say that the 9 to the power, if it is odd, it will be 9, and 9 to the power, if it is even, it will be 1. Here 9 to the power 3 is odd, so the ones place of 9 to the power 3 will be 9. And if it had been even, then it would have been 1. So here the ones place of 9 to the power 3 is 9. Now next number is 3 to the power 3. We know that 3 to the power 3 is 27 and ones place of 27 is 7. So this is 7 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 7. 7 times 3 is 21. Ones place of 21 is 1. 9 times 1 is 9. Now the last is 7. 9 times 7 is 63. And ones place of 63 is 3. So the ones place or unit digit of this question is 3. That is 387 to the power 217 multiplied by 267 to the power 247 multiplied by 79 to the power 187 multiplied by 243 to the power 199 has the unit digit 3. And from the given options, our answer is option B, 3. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. Here completes this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Thanks for watching.